Hello, Word. Welcome, everyone. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today's word is cheese. It's an A1 level noun, and it means a dairy product made from milk. Cheese is something many of us enjoy regularly, perhaps on a sandwich, in a sauce, or even just as a snack. It's a staple in many cultures around the world. So, what exactly is cheese? Well, it's a food made from the pressed curds of milk. The milk can come from cows, goats, sheep, or even other mammals. There are countless varieties, each with its own unique flavor, texture, and aroma. Now, let's explore some synonyms for cheese. A word that comes close is dairy product. For example, I need to buy some dairy products at the grocery store. You could also say cheese is a common dairy product. Another related word, although less direct, is curd. While curd refers to the solid part of the milk used to make cheese, you might hear someone say, "The farmer separated the curds from the whey." Now, let's look at antonyms. It's a little tricky to find direct antonyms for cheese since it's a specific food item. However, we can think about categories of food that are not cheese. A good contrasting word would be fruit. For instance, I prefer fruit for dessert, not cheese. Or, she packed fruit and crackers for her lunch, but no cheese. Another contrasting term could be vegetable. For example, he had a vegetable salad with his cheese sandwich. Another good antonym is vegan food. For example, she doesn't eat cheese because she only consumes vegan food. Let's move on to usage in everyday life. Cheese appears in many common expressions. For example, when someone asks you to say cheese before taking a photo, they're encouraging you to smile. Think about the phrase cheese and crackers. It is a very classic snack. You might also say someone is cutting the cheese, which is a polite way to say that someone passed gas. Also, consider the saying like chalk and cheese used to describe two things that are completely different. Now, let's examine some example sentences and phrases using the word cheese. I love cheese pizza. Could you pass me the cheese, please? This cheese has a very strong flavor. She added some grated cheese to her pasta. The cheese board included a variety of different cheeses. He ordered a cheese omelet for breakfast. I bought some cheese and bread for a picnic. The restaurant is famous for its cheese soufflé. The mouse was attracted to the cheese in the trap. This cheese is made from goat's milk. He spread the cheese on the cracker. She makes her own cheese at home. They served cheese with the wine. The chef used a special kind of cheese in the sauce. My favorite type of cheese is cheddar. She enjoyed a cheese sandwich for lunch. The kids are eating cheese sticks. The party featured a cheese fondue. The chef recommends pairing the wine with a strong cheese. Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode. We've explored the definition of cheese, examined its synonyms like dairy product and curd and antonyms like fruit, vegetable, and vegan food, and discovered its usage in everyday language. I hope you've found this episode informative and enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and continue their English learning journey. As a little challenge, I'd love for you to create your own sentence using the word cheese and share it in the comments section below. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.